आजा भाई 50-50 बड़ा बड़ा जैकेट 50-50 लेते जाओ भैया 20 में
As the first step of surviving winters, Karachi's commoners rummage for clothes specially made for this purpose.
50 बड़ा बड़ा जैकेट 50-50
These clothes are easy to find, easy to wear, and easy to buy, and there is no better place for such clothes than Lunda Bazaar. Lunda Bazaar is a place where you can get second hand clothes at first class prices. Karachi embraces the winter season for just 3 months of a year. The winter here is different, yet the season comes and goes with a feel of its own. However, the way Karachiites combat it is not different.
मैं गुलशन इकबाल में रहता हूँ और यहाँ सिर्फ ये सर्दी के बचने की वजह से सस्ते कपड़े मिलते हैं, इस वजह से मैं यहाँ आया हूँ।
I'm a medical officer at NICS JPMC, federal government servant, and I'm here for my shopping. And as you know that the rates of shopping, otherwise in areas like defense and other areas are very high. All persons are coming here especially because of cheapest rate.
It's like the proverbial treasure hunt you have to seek and you are sure to find.
आजा भाई 50-50
A jacket at a branded store definitely costs a lot more than a couple of unbranded jackets here. For someone feeding a family of 6, this market is the only solution. So, there are two kinds of customers, one who pays the price without hassle and the others who settles after much haggling.
बच्चों के लिए शूज़ वगैरह देखने थे, जैकेट्स वगैरह देखने थे, कुछ मुनासिब कीमत पे मिल जाते हैं यहाँ पे ना, इस वजह से मैं यहाँ पे आई हूँ।
There are some dealers who bring these goods to your doorstep too by dragging their pushcarts right where you are. Their sole purpose is to facilitate all who cannot venture out of their homes on a shopping spree. Men, women, girls, boys, grandpas, grandmas, in fact, everyone, regardless of age, flock here for easy and worry free shopping. It makes the Lunda Bazaar a market for all the right reasons and for all the right seasons.
तकरीबन गरीब लोग ही आते हैं। अच्छे जो बड़े लोग हैं वो तो वहाँ डिफेंस में चले जाते हैं, बड़ी मार्केटों में चले जाते हैं। बड़े लोग भी आते हैं क्योंकि ओवरकोट्स वगैरह हमारे पास होते हैं, बाहर लंदन कनाडा के जो ग्राहक आते हैं वो ले जाते हैं यहाँ से। ये जैकेट देखिए 500 रुपये की जैकेट है, सिर्फ 500 रुपये की। ये हमको खरीद 450, लोग 300 रुपये लगा के घर जाते हैं।
They say the lesser the price, the more are the buying chances. Quality too has a peculiar way of finding itself at the Lunda Bazaar. A. H. Khanzada, Dawn News, Karachi.